Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. My name is Tom Terran. I'm a solution consultant with CompuMark in Antwerp. Today we will see how you can tailor your SAEGIS custom search results by using a number of basic search strategies. By default, custom search offers the trademark field for your screening searches. The trademark field will return all results that contain your search term, either on its own or as part of a multi-word mark or a slogan. You can switch to a stricter, more identical search by selecting the exact trademark field instead. This will switch to the most limited search level in SAEGIS Custom Search. When you select the exact trademark field and search a term, SAEGIS will only return results that consist of the term you entered, nothing more. It will not show multi-word marks that contain your word, neither will it return results where your term is a word stem in a longer word, just the words you entered. This way, you can quickly and cost-effectively verify if your identical term is already registered. Even in its most limited form, SAEGIS goes beyond a strict identical search. It will automatically include results that contain spaces or punctuation signs between the letters of your word. For example, when you search the word vertigo, SAEGIS will also find vertigo with a space or vertigo with dashes and an exclamation mark. If you left the plurals option enabled, SAEGIS will also return plural forms like vertigos, vertigos, and even the genitive vertigos, as this is a common misspelling of the plural form. This also covers irregular plural forms like for goose, geese, or child, children. Keep in mind that the plurals option only takes into account English plural forms. Other languages are not covered by this option. Switching back to the trademark field for your searches will cast a wider net, adding to the results that were already found with exact trademark. You will now no longer be limited to results that only contain the words you entered. SAEGIS will now also show you multi-word marks or slogans that contain your word. For example, for the word vertigo, you would now also get results like vertigo optics, passion vertigo, or a slogan like vertigo, the Hitchcock masterpiece, on top of the results that were found with exact trademark. When conducting screening searches, you can also use logical operators like AND, OR, and NOT to limit or expand the scope of your search. Let's go over these three operators and see how we can use them in our searches. The AND operator is mainly used for searching word combinations. Since this is a frequently occurring search case, SAEGIS does not require you to enter the AND operator. You can simply leave a space between your search terms to search for their combination in a single mark. For example, if you want to find all trademarks that contain the words summer and sun, you simply write summer sun in the search field. AND will not only return results where summer sun occurs the way you entered it, it will also leave out the space and find summer sun in one word. Results where the word order has been reversed will also be included, so you would also find sun summer. The AND operator does not require that both words are adjacent to each other. This means that it will also include results where your search terms are further apart. You could, for example, also find summer wear for beach and sun as a result. The AND operator is especially useful for searching compositions. These are words like lifestyle or blue drive, which consist of several smaller words that have been glued together, so to speak. When you search words like these, we recommend you don't write them as one single word, but as a combination of their components. So you would search for lifestyle or blue drive with a space between them. This way, you will not just find the composition itself, with the usual SAEGIS additions like spaces, punctuations and plurals, but also combinations of their components, or very similar results like life with style or blue power drive. The AND operator is also useful when searching slogans. Simply write the most important words in your slogan and leave a space between them. For example, a slogan like pleasure you can't measure would simply be searched like pleasure, measure. The OR operator allows you to search multiple terms in a single query, saving time and covering more bases in your screening searches. For example, you could search for different spellings of a word, by linking them up with OR in a single query, like hypro or hypro or hypro with I, Y or AI. The OR operator comes in handy in a number of specific search cases. It can be used to account for the difference between UK and US English spelling, like for example with honor or civilization or civilization. Using the OR operator lets you cover both possible spellings in a single query. The OR operator is also useful when you want to add plurals to a non-English word, for example in cases like French cheval or chevaux or German Hund or Hunde. One other situation where the OR operator is essential is when you search number marks. These are brands like O2, 7-Eleven or Take-Two. SAEGIS only searches what you type, so it won't automatically replace the number with the word of the same meaning. Consequently, if you want to search a brand that has a number in it efficiently, we recommend you search for both the number and the word of the same meaning in a single query. So for 7-Up, you would search for 7 or 7-Up. This way, you will catch both possible spellings of the trademark in one go. Finally, the OR operator also allows for more efficient searching of the German umlaut character. You would find this character in trademarks like Jägermeister or Löwe. In general, we do not recommend that you write special characters like the umlaut, accents in French, or other diacritic characters in other languages, since SAEGIS will add them to the search automatically. Not writing the special character will also catch foreign filings of these trademarks where the local filer or the trademark office missed this character at registration. This also goes for the umlaut. However, the umlaut can also be added to a word by adding the letter E after the vowel which has the umlaut. You sometimes see this in website addresses of German companies. So to search a trademark with an umlaut efficiently, you leave out the character but include the alternative with spelling E, for example Jagermeister or Jägermeister. Using the NOT operator, you can exclude certain criteria from a search. For example, if you want to find all trademarks containing the word Taylor, but not Taylor Swift, you can search Taylor not Swift. This allows you to remove unwanted results from a search. You can also use the NOT operator in the owner name search field. For example, you could use the query trademark equals Camry, owner equals not Toyota to search for Camry trademarks that have not been filed by Toyota. We recommend not writing the legal form of a company when searching owner names in SAEGIS. The AND, OR and NOT operators can be combined in a single query. That way, you can run very targeted searches in SAEGIS. If you want to move beyond searching identical trademarks, SAEGIS offers two types of truncation that allow you to replace certain characters, or search a trademark as part of a longer word. Let's go over these two types of wildcard searching. If you want to search for different spellings of your search term, you can easily do so by replacing characters with a question mark. Each question mark you enter replaces up to one character. So to search for different spellings of a hypro, you can enter H?PRO. You can use multiple question marks if you want to replace more than one character. For example, if you want to search for trademarks that sound similar to Barolo, you can do so by replacing specific vowels with a question mark and searching, for example, BAR?L?. You can replace or add up to 10 characters using this wildcard. If you want more security when screening a trademark, you can broaden the scope of your search by using unlimited truncation. You do this by writing an asterisk on the spot where you want SAEGIS to lengthen your word. Usually, you would use this to search for your word as part of a longer word. Putting the asterisk at the start of your words searches them as a suffix, adding letters to the start. Writing the asterisk at the end of your words adds letters to the back of your word. The broadest search is obtained by putting asterisks at both ends of your word. This will search your word as a word stem, revealing results where it is part of larger words. For example, searching vertigo star would find vertigon. Searching star vertigo would find blue vertigo. Searching star vertigo star would include all results of the previous two searches and add results like de vertigo max. We recommend always using truncation when searching for coin terms, since this will also catch very similar looking results to your searched mark. Both types of truncation, so question marks and asterisks, can be mixed in your searches. This concludes our brief overview of possible search strategies in SAEGIS Custom Search. Using these different strategies, you can perform very flexible searches in SAEGIS Custom Search, ranging from simple identical searches to more complex searches that offer broader results. Exact trademark and trademark allow you to set the general limits of your search to either one-word marks or multi-word marks and slogans. The AND operator allows you to search for word combinations, slogans, and compositions. Or lets you search several terms at the same time, for example for number marks or spelling variations. Not is used to exclude results from your search. Finally, using the wildcard characters allows you to replace or add characters to your search term. Question mark lets you replace specific characters to search for close similarity. Asterisk changes your word search to a word stem search, adding prefix, suffix, or infix searching to your queries. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial video on search strategies in SAEGIS Custom Search. I hope this tutorial was useful. Do not hesitate to contact us at the email addresses or numbers below, or to use the in-system chat function if you need any further information on SERION or our other trademark solutions. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.